I'm joined now by Senator Tim Kaine of Virginia. Good morning, Senator. I know you heard Secretary Duffy there talking about the onus is on the Democrats and that you are fighting to get illegal health care for immigrants.
Well, I just got to say, Martha, that's a lie. The health care battle is not about health care for illegal immigrants, and Sean Duffy knows it. It's about millions of Americans who, in the last few weeks, have gotten premium increase notices that tell them that Donald Trump's big, beautiful bill is delivering them big, ugly health insurance bills within the next few weeks, unless we can find a fix. And so what we're asking for is let's find a path to a fix, and let's also have President Trump finally engage in the negotiation and guarantee that a deal is a deal. If we shake hands on a deal for 30 days or for 3 months, he won't immediately start firing more people, clawing back economic development projects, going after blue states or blue cities, and allowing funds to be used in red cities. So look, we're looking for a path to fix people's health care costs, and we're looking for the president to agree that a deal is a deal. Thus far, he's refused to engage, and we avoid shutdowns or get out of shutdowns all the time when the president engages.
So Senator, it has been 33 days. Democrats chose not to support that short-term CR, which would have kept the government open. You could have negotiated. Now there's some pretty devastating impacts on people looking for SNAP, on air traffic controllers, on air travel. So what have the Democrats gained from this?
Well, I don't look at this as politics. I mean, the president told the House, do a budget, and his words, don't deal with Democrats. So Senate Democrats put an alternative on the table 12 days before September 30 that fixed the health care wreckage that the Republicans caused and that ensured that a deal would be honored both by Congress and the White House. The president refused to meet until the day before the deadline. He had Democrats in the Oval Office, and as soon as they walked out, he put up an AI-generated video of them wearing sombreros and talking in AI-generated fake voices saying they didn't say. The guy's unserious.
But
he's
serious.
willing to give $20 billion. Hold on. He's been willing to give $20 billion to the Argentines and meet with them, wreck the White House, have a great Gatsby party down at Mar-a-Lago. He has not done what he said needed to be done in 2011, sit down with Democratic leadership. If
Senator, I just want to go back to the...
will be resolved in a matter of hours.
Okay, excuse me. I just want to go back to what Democrats have gotten during this period. Not talking about politics, what have Democrats gained during this period? And how long can this last?
Martha, I'm a United States Senator, and I run as a Democrat, and I'm a Democrat, but I just don't approach my work that way. So when you ask what Democrats have gained, what we're focused on is the American people. We want President Trump to stop firing people, canceling economic development projects. We wanted them to stop raising everybody's costs, health care costs, energy costs, housing costs. Halloween's more expensive. Thanksgiving is more expensive. The holidays are going to be more expensive. So we're asking the president to simply sit down and do what all presidents do. We can find a budget deal that puts us on a path to a health care fix. I don't need all the I's dotted and T's crossed. I just want to be on a path so that people's bills don't spike, and I want the president to agree, stop the wrecking ball, stop the mass firings and the cancellations of projects you don't like. And I think Americans understand that, and that's why they look at Donald Trump's lack of engagement and overwhelmingly say that he's really more to blame for this.
We just have a couple of minutes here, but you recently said things are coming together. There are reportedly conversations among rank-and-file senators to try to negotiate the reopening of the government for a few weeks. Is that going on right now? Are you part of those discussions?
I would say, Martha, I'm sort of at the edge of them. There is a group of people talking about these two issues, a path to fix the health care debacle and a guarantee that if we reopen government, I'm calling it a moratorium on mischief. If we agree to reopen, President Trump's got to stop the firings. The FAA We're talking air traffic control. They've forced 2,400 people out of the FAA during Trump's first year when they were already short 3,000 air traffic controllers. Stop the firings, stop the games playing, stop going after blue cities and helping red cities. Let's have a moratorium on mischief during whatever this period is, get on a path to fix people's health care. If the president engages, we will find a deal, I think, within hours.
And Senator, just quickly, if you can, you're there in Virginia. Virginia holds key elections on Tuesday. Are you confident the Democrats can sweep this?
I feel really good about it, Martha, and here's why. In Virginia, we are the best red to blue turnaround in the country in the last 25 years. And the way we've done it is by focusing on the economy. Abigail Spanberger, our candidate, 3 pillars to her campaign: affordability, jobs, and education, which is about kids, but also about our workforce. Her opponent is running ads on offbeat cultural issues that don't really matter to the most people. In Virginia, Democrats focus on the economy, winning the economic argument, delivering economic results, and that's why the state has moved from red to blue so dramatically since 2000.
Okay, thanks so much. Good to see you this morning, Senator. Appreciate your time.
Thanks, Martha. Good to be with you.